Infrastructure projects that the government of Zimbabwe, under the leadership of President Edi Nangagwa, has been in a position to transform the entire population and the entire rural infrastructure economy in order to propel the whole nation towards Vision 2030, and at the same time making sure that we leave no one and no place behind. So as guest of honor, I've just commissioned a number of infrastructure projects, which includes a school block, and working together with the complementary role of Vision, World Vision, which has played a key role in order to support a number of government initiatives. The Presidential National E-Learning Strategy is one of the projects that we've just commissioned, which to support the full digitalization and transformation of the education sector under a whole of government approach, but also at the same time in appreciation of the President's initiatives in terms of the school feeding program, which is progressing extremely well in Makoni district, and at the same time in appreciation of the refurbishment of infrastructure within the constituency, including here at Matsika primary school, which is going to enhance a number of initiatives in order to provide a comfortable platform for the teachers and the learners in order to support education, which is one of the critical priorities for us to achieve Vision 2030. The whole aspect is around decentralization, devolution, and at the same time development. These 3 Ds in terms of the implementation matrix of Vision 2030. The Presidential e-learning program is there to equip learners, and at the same time in order to capacitate the teachers for them to be able to impart those skills across the country, thereby making sure we leave no one and no place behind in terms of digital skills. Because one of the key priorities in terms of Vision 2030 is human capital development and the digital economy. And the digital economy can only be achieved when we have learners from ECD, primary and secondary education participating within that framework, so that we are in a position to develop and capacitate technology armies across the country, and with particular emphasis on rural areas. So this is the bridging of the rural-urban divide in terms of digital skills. Mchidimbu tikuti urongwa wa President Edi Nangagwa wakatarisana nekuvandudza zvivakwa zviri muno munyika zvichisanganisira zviri kumaruwa, zvichisanganisira zvakare kuwanikwa kwezvidzidzo zvemacomputers zvichiwanikwa muzvikoro zviri kuno kumaruwa. So National E-Learning Strategy inotungamirirwa naPresident Edi Nangagwa yakakwanisa kuunza masaisai, yakakwanisa kuunza zvivhitivhiti nemakombiyuta pano paMatsika Primary School, chikoro chiri muward 24, kuitira kuti vana vari kuno kwaMatsika nevari kuHarare nevari kuLondon kana America vange vasina musiyano maringe nezvidzidzo zvavo zvemakombiyuta, maringe nekunge vachikwanisa kuzoita research, maringe nekuti vacontribute towards an upper middle income society.
My name is Elia Madonto. I am the Finance and Support Services Director for World Vision, representing our country director. World Vision is a child-focused organization, and our vision is life in its fullness for our children. At Matsika Primary School, we've supported and complemented government efforts we have constructed the ECD block. In fact, the community has helped us to put together the locally available materials. We've constructed the ECD block. We've constructed the toilets, the flush toilets. We've also provided assistance in the computer lab. So this is to enable our students to have the same experience as the students in any part of the country, be it in Harare or be it in London, so that when we go into the future, our children are well equipped to push the agenda for Vision 2030.
From our honorable MP for Makoni West, he has donated 30 laptops, one overhead projector, Wi-Fi services. Then our World Vision, our partner, also assisted us by this lab, by the furniture which you are seeing in this room, and also donated 30 desktops plus one overhead projector. With that, we are now able to implement the ICT policy. Remember, our government is emphasizing much on taking our society to upper middle class by 2030. So as a school, we are now implementing this policy, and we believe that by 2030, all our learners, our community, will have the digital skills.
Dr. Jenfan Muswere, ne bachelor wa mshukuru jese je Makoni West. Ukuru ya ukutenda mukadimo ya 24. Wali kubatsira nyanze ma computers, ma boards, ne ma kit ma sports. Washitubatsira zvakawanda zvokuti ma computers apamu ari kubatsira vana kuti vana wadzidze e-learning yako mazuano. Hakusina kuti wemutaundi ndio akwane advantage mumarizve pari pasi. Asi zvakuedza kuti wemutaundi ndiyo kurizeve vakuziva kuti macomputers anosenza zvakati.
Thank you very much.